What's up, everybody? Paul Hickey here with your data-driven daily tip. Just want to give a big shout out to those of you watching on the YouTube channel, youtube.com/Paul Hickey. For those of you listening on the podcast, datadrivenpodcast.com. You can get it on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Alexa, Google Home. You can get it on Siri. Just say, hey Siri, play Paul Hickey's Data-Driven Daily Tips. You can get it everywhere. Today we're talking about building Alexa skills. We are building a lot of Alexa skills at Data Driven Design. That's my digital agency that I run with 8 or 9 of my amazing teammates. And so we're going to jump right into what Alexa calls the Alexa presentation language. This is relatively new. It's a way to create multimodal Alexa skills. That basically just means that if you're on a Alexa device with a screen on it, so the Echo Show 5, which is that little 5-inch one that just came out that's pretty cool. I've got one of those. Or the Echo Spot, or even like a Fire TV, for example, Fire TV app. You can say, Alexa, play Paul Hickey's Data-Driven Daily Tips, and it can come up in video format, for example. And so we're building these types of things for our clients. And not only that, but just a regular Alexa skill that was built for voice can have like a thing called a card on it. So today I'm going to show you the Alexa Developer Console has a tool to build visuals for your skill. And I highly recommend that you use it. And then what we're going to do is actually, it's really cool, whatever display unit you have in your office or in your home. For example, you could have an Echo Show, you could have an Echo Show 5, and if it's registered with the same email account as your Alexa developer account, you can actually live test what your visuals of your skill look like on your device. So I'm going to show you that. That's pretty sweet. All right, so let's jump right into it. You're going to go to, and I'm going to post this URL in the blog, but essentially you're going to go to a URL that is developer.amazon.com/alexa/console/ASK/displays. Now the ASK stands for Alexa Skills Kit. And what I'm doing here is there's some templates, and I'm going to use the image display sample. You can also start from scratch, which I've done before. It's just a little bit harder to do. So we're going to select that sample, and then basically what it looks like is it says today's daily photo of cheese, and it gives you a layout. Now this is a GUI layout. You can change it to the code layout if you want to, but I just use the GUI. And it says main template, container, image, Alexa header, text, container. And all I did was I dropped a video into the container. I put a background image in that's hosted on AWS. Amazon likes when you host your resources on AWS, so that's also where I host my video files. And then I'm basically just dropping these elements into the GUI editor and moving them around. And I want to test it though, because basically what happens is this APL designer, Alexa Presentation Language Designer, will let you test it on the Spot and then the different size devices, including the Fire TV. But if you really want to see what it looks like on your Echo Show or your Echo Show 5, like what I was saying earlier, is you can just click a button that says View on Paul's Echo Show, in this case, or your Echo Show. And after you click that, you will see, I'm going to show you what this looks like now. So if you're looking at my screen, you'll see my computer screen, and then I walk over to my Echo Show 5, and you can see that it is actually playing the content from this Alexa skill on my Echo Show 5, which looks sweet. So in the multimodal Alexa skill design world, you need to keep visuals in mind. And this is a visual that a user would say something like, Alexa, ask Carmen Johnston Gardens to show me how to make a fall sangria, for example. And it would take them directly to this video, which is pretty cool. But you need to also keep some other things in mind, like your opening welcome message can have a background, a card, a visual, different things like that. And we'll have more data-driven daily tips on actually how to build those out. But today's data-driven daily tip is using the Alexa presentation language designer tool to design these visuals for your skill. You drop them in with a JSON file, but then the cool thing is actually just once the skill's built, what I just showed you is testing it on your device. My friends, this has been your data-driven daily tip. For more free digital marketing tips, go to dataoveropinions.com. Thanks for listening on the podcast at datadrivenpodcast.com. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at datadrivendesign. There's IGTV videos posted there all the time if that's the way you like to get your information. Twitter is dataoveropinion.com. And don't forget, you don't have to even log into Google Analytics anymore to check your web data. You can just ask Alexa. Check this out by going to askdatadrivendesign.com for your free trial of our voice-based business intelligence tool. Thanks, and have a great day.